Hey guys, so this is the wig once I've done all the extra things in the beginning. Just to let you guys know, the wig did come pre-plucked already, so you don't have to do that part. But like I'm always doing, I'm always extra. So this is what the wig cap looks like. It is a closure wig, a 6x6 closure wig, about 30 inches long in general, and then about like 20 inches along the front. So step 3, you got to fit the wig to make sure it fits properly. This is considered a glueless wig, guys. As you can tell right here, I don't really need glue, but we're not going to use any type of sticky glue today. We're going to use some really fun got to be glue spray. So basically I'm showing you right now the hairline. I feel like bleaching this did a really good job. It's not optional, but you guys can see the hairline looks very, very nice and natural. So I like to show this part of the video to show you guys how I take my time to cut the lace. Like I said to you guys all the time, lace does not regenerate, so once you cut it, it's gone. So I just like to show you guys how I do this. I use little scissors that I got from the manicure set, and it works pretty well. Alright guys, so this is the install part. So I am using the Got To Be Glue super holder instant hold. I'll leave this down below for you guys. You guys have been raving about this product, so I want to go ahead and do like an install with it. To be honest with you guys, I absolutely love this product. It did such a great job. Like I said, if it's really hot outside, you don't want to do any of that kind of messy glue, I highly recommend getting this product. Don't know where you have to go get it. I did get mine at Rite Aid. It was buy one get one 50% off of this and the original Got To Be Glue. So I'm telling you guys, get your hands on this product. It works really well. So I'm just going to do a little baby hair magic. Because this is a closure wig, you want to kind of make it look as natural as possible. So I'm going to do some light baby hairs. You guys know I'm not really a big baby hair fan, so you could do it either way. But I wanted to jazz this up and just do some baby hair magic. So this is the finished look of this super pretty unit right here, guys. So starting off, this unit was actually sent to me from Alipearl, guys. This unit is 30 inches long. It is a 6x6 straight lace closure wig, guys, and this is 250% density. So I've worked with this company in the past before. I think I've done another 30-inch unit from this company, which I actually really liked. So when they did offer up a 6x6 closure, I decided to do the review just because a lot of you guys don't really like frontals, especially in the summertime when it's hot and it's really sweaty out there. You're really sweaty. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the 6x6 install, which was very simple. There was no like parts missed in this video. So you guys have been raving about the Got to Be Glue High Insta Hold. So I actually use this in the summertime, and I also use the Got to Be Glue Blasting Free Spray. So this product hands down works very well, guys. I actually spray it on the curl set, the deep wave set after I did it, and I actually used it to install this unit, which came out really nice, guys. So if you're someone that doesn't want to use the glue in the summertime, you just want to do quick, nice installs, especially when the, front looks this fucking good, I definitely recommend using this product. It works really good. I actually installed a unit the other day with this one. It lasted about like 2 days. I actually ended up pulling it off, but it lasted like 2 whole days with this product on it. So I would go ahead and recommend this to you guys. It works just as well, just as good as the Got to Be Glue Blasting Free Spray. So I just wanted to show this to you. Another thing I used different in today's video, for the baby hairs, I didn't have any mousse. So I just used the Alipearl Pro Style Super Hold Black Gel. This works just fine. Obviously it's gonna dry really hard, but once you break the cast with a comb, it looks really nice and you still have your baby hair formation. So this is a 6x6 closure wig, guys, so you're gonna get a lot of parting space, and the width on this one is basically almost like a frontal. You don't have the edges on the side right here, but if you have your own natural baby hairs, you can just go ahead and do little swiggles on the side right there. But for me, I just opted just to wear it the way it was. I did show you guys this unit straight, but you know with straight units, it is 250% density, but because the texture is like a silky straight texture, I wanted to amplify it up a little bit. You already know. So that's exactly what I did. So I just went in with my deep waver. The deep waver, actually leave the link down below, guys. All the links for the products that I use in the hair videos, even if I'm not using in the video, there's just a list down below. You can go ahead and click the link for it and buy it off of Amazon. The deep waver that I'm using has 3 settings on it. You can make it tight wave, loose wave, and even looser. I usually go for the loosest wave just to kind of give me more of a mermaid look. So I didn't go crazy with this one. Like I said, I did spray it with the Got to Be Glue spray on the actual hair just to keep the deep waves in place. Let me tell you guys something. This unit is absolutely gorgeous, very, very long, 30 inches. I believe the company did about like a, I feel like the frontal part is about like a 24 inch. A lot of the companies do like the closure or the frontal part like 20 inches. So this closure, this 6x6 closure area in the top right here is about like 20 inches. And then you get nothing but 30 inches in the back, which I could appreciate. If you get the frontal, sometimes, like I said, it's 20 inches all the way through. So you kind of get like shortness right here and then a whole bunch of long. But because this is a 6x6, you just get a little area of short hair, and then, well, not short hair, 20 inches of hair, and then boom, 30 inches. Absolutely love it, guys. The hairline is absolutely stunning AF. Yes, I did go ahead and bleach the knots, which I did show you guys in the video. I personally would recommend you go ahead and bleach the knots. Bleaching the knots on this unit has turned this unit to the 10th power. I feel like the hairline looks absolutely realistic, absolutely gorgeous, guys. Let me know what you think. I did just do a little baby hair magic with this one just because it is a closure wig, so you gotta have to amplify it a little to make it look, realistic, like frontal wise. But you guys know I'm not really somebody that does baby hairs too much, so I did show you guys a little baby hair magic on here, and like I said, I used the black gel to do it. It works just the same way that mousse works. So if you have some black gel at home, go ahead and use it on your baby hairs because it works just fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I think that this came out really nice. This will probably be one of the keeper wigs for me because I think that this is super simple, affordable, and just an easy way to install instead of doing all the glue on the edges. Y'all see my edges. My edges are dying, so I really have to let them chill a little bit. But this works really well if you're someone that doesn't know how to install frontals, doesn't know how to deal with all the frontal business. A closure wig is going to be the best choice for you. So guys, I will leave all the information down below per usual if you're interested in purchasing this unit from alipearl.com. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.